90% of the editors just select the text tool and type their text and apply deep glow effect on it. But it's not like that. First create a new composition and rename it. Now select the text tool and type your text. Now here's the point that will put you in the top 10%. Select the text layer and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and apply deep glow effect on it and adjust its value. This is the important part. Select the duplicated text layer, select the shape layer and create a mask like this. While selecting the mask, press F and adjust the feather to 65. And now you have your 3D glowing effect. You can adjust according to your light in 3D scene. Just simply select the mask, double click on this icon and rotate the mask. There you go. That's it for today. Hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video.